Hey food lover, you're gonna love this one. We have made flavor-filled potato bites. You can serve this as an appetizer or as a snack or at a Christmas party or any occasion. I'm gonna start by mashing up 3 peeled and boiled potatoes. Chuck in some garlic, chuck in some coriander and a little bit of nutmeg, but obviously with the precise measurements. And I also added some all-purpose seasoning to that, and I think this one that I used actually gave this quite a sweet and savory taste, which I loved, and I wasn't actually expecting that, but it actually came out sweet and savory, which was nice. So here I am adding the half a tablespoon of nutmeg, and then I added 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. You're going to mix everything together into a dough ball, and then you're going to start rolling it into smaller balls like this. All that's left to do is to deep fry it. And look at that! Flavoursome potato bites with a crispy outer layer and a creamy mashed potato middle. Thank you so much for watching.